Hello guys, welcome to the live stream. Today I'll be testing Murf.ai, which from my personal experience is one of the best AI voice generators you can find out there. The price is great, it's affordable, and it offers some really natural voices from different languages, different accents. So seriously, it's a great tool. So in this live stream today, I'll be showing you how this works, how to use this tool, and the great results you can get from it. So the first thing after you have get an account here, let's go to the studio. You can buy a plan. Oh, let me show you that first. Let's go back to the home page. Let's go to pricing, and as you can see, they offer a free plan, but with this plan you can try out all the different voices they have. They offer up to 120 voices, but you can use it up to 10 minutes for voice generation and transcription. But the bad thing with this plan is that you can't download the audio clips. So you can try it and find the perfect voice for your project, but you won't be able to download it. So if you want to download and use these voices, you need to get one of these paid plans. With the basic plan, you will get access to the standard voices, and with the Pro or Enterprise plan, you get access to the premium voices, which are actually really great, but you can find great voices in the basic plan as well. Okay, so let's go to the studio, and here what you can do is you can create different workspaces, which are like a folder for different clients or different projects. It helps you keep things organized. As you can see, I have one project already created here. I'm going to create a new one. So let's do that. So let's call this test project. And you can choose between these templates, which I'm not really sure what they do. So I'm just going to start a blank one. Let's give it a second. And now that we have created our first project, you can see we can enter our text here. What else you can do is to import an entire script in different formats. Here you can try the different voices they offer from different languages. Thanks for joining the live stream, guys. If you have any questions, or if you have a phrase you want me to try with one of these voices, please leave it in the chat and I will try it out. Okay, so let me show you. If you go to a voice, you can click on play and get a sample. Let's hear Samantha, for example.
Unwrap the rumpled golden cover to reveal a chocolatey treasure.
Let's hear another one.
Go fast. Go far. Go forward. Go to the woods, the mountains, the oceans.
Seriously, guy, what do you think?
Such a drag having to take the
about
bus
these
to
AI
work.
voices?
You're always late for meetings and chasing the bus all the time.
Seriously, how
Not
good
cool at
that
all.
sounds. Sounds super natural to me.
Lucky for you, Quality Auto's annual event is just around the corner.
Let's hear the last one.
Life gives you enough things to worry about, and your job doesn't have to be one. Meet Recruit Fast, an application that eases the recruiting process by posting.
So how good is that? So if you are just joining the stream, thank you for coming. And what are we doing today is to test Murf.ai, which is one of the greatest AI voice generators I have tried so far. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the chat. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is to add some text here. So let me show you what happens if I paste here a big paragraph, a big text. So if I come here and I paste a big text, it offers me 2 ways to split it: as a whole script, by paragraphs, or by sentences. So this will depend on the type of project you are creating. For example, if you want just one voice for each of these paragraphs, this alternative will work perfect. But if you want to work with different voices, you can choose this one, and it will separate it by sentences, and you can choose a different voice for each sentence. So I'm gonna choose this one. Click on paste script. Okay, so next thing we need to do is to choose the voice we're going to use, at least in this case, for this sentence. So by default we get Nate, which is
Hi,
a standard
I'm Nate.
voice.
I'm one of the friendly and relatable American voices in Murf.
How good
I'm
that
also
sounds.
quite versatile.
And this is just a standard voice. This is not one of the pro voices or premium, as whatever you want to call them. So we're gonna keep this first paragraph with the Nate voice. And as you can see here, we can do some other adjustments, like tune the pitch and the speed. But I'm gonna leave that just as it comes. Next thing, I'm going to change this for a different voice. So we click on the avatar, on the picture, and let's find a different voice, maybe with a British accent. So let's hear Hazel, for example.
Promotional ads are everywhere. While watching a video, streaming music, hearing a podcast, you name it.
Pretty good. What about
Hello,
Edward?
I'm Edward. I come from the UK. My style.
That's good, but it sounded much more robotic than this one or Nate, which we already have. Let's listen to Emma.
Hi, this is Emma, one of the friendly British voices in Murf Studio.
Yeah, it's good, but it's not perfect.
When it comes to your phone, you want it all. And you want it now.
Much better.
Who said?
Okay, so let's choose Harvey. As you can see, currently I have the basic plan. So if I wanted to use one of these pro voices for a project, I will need to upgrade to the pro plan. But in this case, it doesn't matter. We don't need to upgrade. We can click here on try pro voices. So as you can see, now we have four sentences, and here we have one voice, and we are using a different one in the second sentence. What we could do is to try how this works. So we're just going to reduce the pitch to -5%. And if we want to listen to this now, we go to click to this play button, click on it, and it will generate the audio file. So let's give it a moment. As you can see here, I have the available time. I can use this, and every time you generate one of these audio previews, it will discount time from your available time. So do it carefully, because otherwise you will waste all your time just by creating previews.
They are regarded as the most influential band of all time, and were integral to the...
Yeah, I don't like it that much. Maybe the pitch adjustment wasn't a good idea. So let's go back to 0 and let's try it again. Let's give it a moment. Okay.
They are regarded as the most influential band of all time, and were integral to the development of 1960s counterculture.
Yeah, much better. Still sounds a bit robotic. Maybe it's just the voice. It's not as natural as some of the voices available, but let's keep it there. Okay, let's go with this third one. For example, Charles.
Thank you for enrolling. This e-learning system presents you with course.
Or Samantha.
Unwrap the rumpled golden cover to reveal a
Introducing Perfect Meal.
They are regarded as the most influential band of all time, and were integral to the development of 1960s counterculture and popular music's recognition as an art form.
Let's give it a moment. Okay.
Rooted in skiffle, beat, and 1950s rock and roll, their sound incorporated elements of classical music and traditional pop in innovative ways. The band also explored music styles ranging from folk and Indian music to psychedelia and hard rock.
Okay. And the last sentence. What if we try with a different accent? Maybe Australia? Okay, let's see. Mark.
The future is electric and green.
Kylie.
The first 3 years of life are a period of incredible growth in
Harper.
This how-to video is designed to help you master spreadsheets.
Okay, let's use this one. And what I'm going to do now is to process the entire script so we can listen to the 4 voices we select. And okay, let's do that. So to do that, you have to click on this play button, which will process the entire script. Let's give it a moment. It's now building the preview and we are ready. So let's hear it.
The Beatles were an English rock band formed in Liverpool in 1960 that comprised John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr.
They are regarded as the most influential band of all time, and were integral to the development of 1960s counterculture and popular music's recognition as an art form.
Rooted in skiffle, beat, and 1950s rock and roll, their sound incorporated elements of classical music and traditional pop in innovative ways. The band also explored music styles ranging from folk and Indian music to psychedelia and hard rock.
As pioneers in recording, songwriting, and artistic presentation, the Beatles' revolutionized many aspects of the music industry and were often publicized as leaders of the era's youth and socio-cultural movements.
What do you think, guys? How did that sound to you? So, to me, you can tell when there are better voices. It sounds more natural in some cases, but it's pretty good. I have tried many other AI softwares, and usually they don't sound as natural as the voices Murf.ai offers. So I think it's a great tool. As you saw before, the prices are pretty affordable. It all depends on the type of project you're working on. But I think this is a great tool. It's super easy to use. If now you're happy with your results, you can go here and export the voice. You could also upload some images or a video and edit add the audio clips to the video, for example. I don't think it has a great video editor, but it helps you to match your voice clips with the movie. And I think that's it for today. So thanks for watching. I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please let me know what do you think about this tool, or if you have other tools I should try. As I said many times already, this is one of the best AI voice generators I have tried so far, but hopefully there's another tool I don't know about and I will love to try that. So please let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer any questions. Thanks for watching.